Hello everyone, and in this video I will compare Monzo versus Tide and we will see the general overview, which is the optimal bank to handle cash and checks, which is the best for international transaction, the top choice for multiple card, optimal for account software integration, the best for customer support, the best for account setup, and the optimal value for the money and the conclusion. But first please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. So let's start with the overview. Tide and Monzo provide business banking solution presenting both free and premium account option. However, determining the most suitable choice for your needs requires a closer look at the distinctive feature of these two mobile exclusive business bank accounts. Let's see the optimal to handle cash and checks. Tide facilitate cash deposit at post office branch with a 2.50 pound fee for deposit up to £500 and a 0.5% fee for amounts exceeding £500. Monthly and yearly limits are set at £25,000 and £300,000 respectively, contingent on post office restriction. Additionally, cash deposit of £10 to £500 can be made at PayPoint location, incurring a 3% fee while check deposits are not supported. Monzo permits cash deposit at PayPoints capped at £300 per day and £1,000 every 6 months, accompanied by a £1 deposit fee. Alternatively, checks can be sent to Monzo without incurring any charges. Here's the winner is tied. It boasts a higher cumulative limit for cash deposit, whereas Monzo lower limit may pose challenge for certain business owners, despite its acceptance of checks deposits. Now let's see which is the best for international transaction. Tide permits card usage abroad without any additional fees, relying on the Mastercard exchange rate. However, a £1 fee is applicable for each cash withdrawal from overseas ATMs. Monzo also provides the Mastercard exchange rate without imposing fees for global spending. In the European Economic Area (EEA), ATM withdrawals are fee-free for customers treating Monzo as a primary bank. For those using Monzo more casually as a spending card, a £250 fee-free allowance is granted every 30 days, after which a 3% fee is levied. Outside the EEA, the initial £200 withdrawn within a 30-day period is free of charge, after which a 3% fee is applied. Also here, the winner is tied. When utilizing Monzo beyond the EAR, the cumulative fees for ATM withdrawals can become substantial. In contrast, Tide's ATM fees are minimal, making it a more cost-effective option regardless of your location. Now let's see the top choice for multiple card. Tides provides the primary account holder with a card and the option to issue up to 35 team cards for colleagues. Each team card incurs a cost of £5 plus VAT per month with a free account. However, with a paid account starting at £9.99 plus VAT per month, one or two team cards are complimentary, depending on your membership tier. Monzo accounts, exclusive to limit companies, offer free payment cards for up to two additional individuals. This section favors Tides as the clear winner, especially for businesses with a substantial size seeking to distribute cards to multiple employees. Now let's see which is the optimal for accounting software integration. Tides provides compatibility with 9 accounting software packages including FreeAgent, Coconut, Crunch, ClearBooks, Cashflow, QuickBook, Recon One, Sage, and Xero. Monzo allows integration with FreeAgent, QuickBook, and Xero. This assessment favors Tide. It surpasses Monzo by offering integration with more than twice the number of accounting software packages, providing a broader range of options for users. Now let's see the top choice for customer support. Tide facilitates communication with its customer service team through in-app messaging, emails, and the option to request a callback. Monzo offers access to customer service through in-app, chat, email, and telephone. Here's the winner is Monzo. It edges out slightly in this category as it provides the advantage of reaching its team directly over the phone without the need for a callback, offering a more immediate support option. Now let's see top pick for account setup. To establish a Tide business account, the process is conducted through the app, involving involving the submission of the identification business particulars and potential invoices, bank statement, or an HMRC registration. According to the company's data, approximately 53% of business customers can complete the account setup in under 10 minutes, 70% in under 60 minutes, and around 81% within 48 hours. Monzo requests similar information for setup, but there is no available data on the speed of the setup process. In my personal opinion, here the battle results in a draw, as both Tide and Monzo require similar information for account setup, but specific data on Monzo setup speed is not provided. Let's see now the optimal value for money. Tide offers a no-cost basic business account with a charge of £20 for both sending and receiving UK payments. The premium account option, priced at £9.99 and £18.99 per month, entail varying features. Additionally, Tide's cashback account with a monthly fee of £49.99 provides a 0.5% cashback on purchase and several other perks. All premium accounts from Tide accept user from payment fees, and transfer between Tide accounts are always free. Monzo provides a free basic account, while its premium account incurs a monthly fee of £5, allowing free transfer between UK accounts. Despite Tide's impressive feature, Monzo clinches the lead in this category. While Tides offers more robust features, its premium account carries a higher monthly fee, and even the free account imposes a £20 charge for each payment made. Now let's see the conclusion. Is Monzo a superior choice for business banking over Tide? While it's a tight competition, Monzo emerged as the winner, despite Tide showcasing some noteworthy features. A Monzo business account proves to be more advantageous in terms of value. Notably, Monzo's free account allows for fee-free payment between UK accounts, a feature not present in the Tide counterpart. Mons also outshines in the account switching department, being a participant in the current account switching service. Additionally, Monzo takes the lead in the customer service feature, offering direct access to an agent without the need for a callback, further solidifying its position as the preferred choice. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.